Hi friends, welcome to my channel. This is Gopi Chandran. Before getting into this video, let me wish you a happy new year. Let this year be a good year for your trading. And now let's get into the strategy of 945 short straddle in Nifty. Okay, so this strategy is for intraday traders. So if you are trading intraday in Nifty, you can use this strategy. Okay, so in this video I will be covering about the strategy, how you can get into this strategy. After that we will be looking into the backtesting, why I prefer this strategy and all. So now let's get into this video. Okay, so in this strategy we are taking a short straddle positions of at 945. Okay, now let's see what is short straddle. Short straddle means you are selling at the money call option and at the money put option, and you are entering in this strategy at 945. Okay, so why I prefer this strategy at 945 means, you know that after from 9:15 to 9:30 there are so many noises in the market. Okay, so market will be a little calm at 9:45. So we are getting into this short straddle strategy at 9:45. So what you have to do, you have to sell call option and put option at the money call option and put option. Okay, now let's see what is the stop loss. So once you enter into the strategy, the first thing you have to do is you have to make a stop loss. Okay, so stop loss, what you have to do, you have to give 25% of the premium. For example, if the price is 100 rupees, okay, the premium is 100 rupees of call and put option. Let's assume that 100 is the price. Now you have to give stop loss of 25. So the stop loss should be 125, okay, on the call side and on the put side. Now let's see what is the condition which you have to do. You have to enter into both call option and put option, and you have to give stop losses on both the sides. And once the stop loss hit any of this call or put option, so for example in this case, if the we have entered in the trade at 9:45 and let's assume that stop loss have hit at 11 o'clock. What you have to do is, once the stop loss is hit, you have to carry forward this position till 2:30. Don't trade with so many lots. Okay, just trade with a minimal lot and see how the strategy is working. So I will do the backtesting and all, and you can see the result of this strategy. And now let's see the exit condition. Exit condition is 2:30. You have to exit from this strategy. Okay, even if the call option and put option is live, you have to exit both the call option and put option at 2:30. So now let's get into the backtesting result. So before getting into this backtesting result, let me just tell you, I have a website called equityglobal.co.in. So you can register in this website, and once you register in this website, you get 2 weekly strategies which have got 80% probability of winning the trade, 1 monthly strategy and 1 long-term strategy. And apart from that, you get lifetime membership and lifetime support also. So there is a 50% off for getting the membership. So you can enter equityglobal.co.in and you can register to the website.
So friends, now let's see the backtesting result. Okay, now I will show you. I am using a StockMark website, and in this website you can do backtesting for at least 3 years in Nifty. Okay, so we are doing backtesting for 3 years in this strategy. So first we have selected first one lot of Nifty ATM option. That means we have selected short straddle, and here you can see call option. We have given only stop loss of 25% on call side and stop loss of 25% on put side. We have selected only one lot. Okay, so the time to enter into this strategy is 9:45 and time to exit is 2:30. Okay, so 2:30 you have to exit from the strategy, even if it is profit or loss. Okay, so now let's see the backtesting result. Okay, so here we have to go run. Okay, once you give run, you can see the backtesting result from 2019 to 2022. Okay, almost 3 years backtesting result we can find, and this is the most important part. See, you have deployed only 1.5 lakh of your capital. The overall profit for 3 years is 3.28 lakhs. Okay, and 65% is the probability of winning the trade and 35% is the loss. Maximum profit which can come is 11,000 and maximum loss per day is 5,691, and the drawdown is 18,000. Okay, for the total capital the drawdown will be 18,000. So the important part is this. Okay, so in 2019 we have made a profit of 81,000. Okay, so you should think that time the margin was also very low. With that small margin we have made 81,000 in this strategy. Okay, let's leave that. Now let's talk about the present condition. In 2021 what happened? We have made 1,15,000. So our capital was 1,50,000, and we have made 1,15,000 out of that capital, because for buying and selling, maximum the capital will be margin required will be, let's assume 1.5 lakhs. So 1.5 lakhs ka we have made almost 80, more than 80 percentage of returns in a year. Okay, so this is the most important thing. And if you see the losses per month, we have made losses. In May month we have made losses, but the loss is very minimal, only 1,518 and 1,551 and 778. So the loss is very minimal. And if we are on both the sides, brokerage also, if you take per trade brokerage, that will also be less. And see, this strategy is 65 percentage of winning the trade. See this last year profits. Okay, last year profits is enough so that you can trust in this strategy. But the thing is, 9:45 you have to enter and 2:30 you have to exit, whatever the market condition, and the 25 percentage should be the stop loss. Okay, so you can enter into this strategy. And whatever the trades, whatever the weekly strategies which I am using, I have recorded and made it available in my website. So you can visit the website also. And thank you all. Thank you for watching this video.